So we're going to multiply terms today with exponents. And the first thing we're going to do is look at x squared times x to the third. If I were to ask you what 4 squared would be, you would probably say it's 16. And the reason is it's 4 times 4, which is 16. So when we have x squared, that means x times x. And then when we have x to the third power, that means x times x times x. We have 5 x's there, so this would just simplify to be x to the fifth power. The shortcut, though, is just to add the exponents, but I wanted to show you what's actually happening. So when we have 9p times 8p to the sixth power, there's a couple of factors here that we look at. The first is the 9 times 8, don't add them, because a lot of students start to do that. They see exponents somewhere and they're like, oh, I got to add everything. No, it's still a 9 times 8, and that's going to be a 72. And the other key factor is there's a little 1 there. If you don't see a number, math people don't like to write, there's a little 1 there. So when we add up the exponents, p to the first times p to the sixth is going to be p to the seventh power. And so for the next one, we have 6n times 10n. 6 times 10 is 60. And there's a little 1 for both of them. So when we add them up, we have n squared. The parentheses don't change anything. It's just a kind of another way of writing out multiplication. So 4 times 6 is 24. And then when we add the exponents, f to the ninth power times f to the fourth power will be f to the 13th power. And down here, 5 times 2 is 10. And then q times q is, there's a little 1 for both of them, so just q squared. And then for the r, there's also a 1 for both of them, so it'll be r squared. And then for this last one, 10 times 10 is 100. And then p to the fifth times p to the second power is going to be p to the seventh power. I think I said p to the fifth times p to the second. Hopefully I did. And then for the q's, q to the eighth times q to the fifth is going to be q to the 13th. Just add the exponents. And then we finally have r to the fourth times r, just a little 1 there. We add them up, we get r to the fifth. And that's it. And I just want to highlight a question like this. Let's say that one of them didn't have the other letter. So this is 7 times 3, which is 21. And then we have a squared. There's no a on the other one. That's okay. You just rewrite it. Just a squared then. That's all you have. And then b times b to the fourth. There's a little 1 there. Add up the exponents and we get b to the fifth. If you have any kind of questions, please contact your math teacher.